Hello, I'm Courtney D'Amelio, Vice President of Strategic Alliances. Here at Velociti, we design, deploy, and maintain a wide variety of technologies for the purpose of helping evolving companies solve complex business problems with innovative and cutting-edge solutions. We are honored to host partners and customers here at our headquarters in Kansas City. In fact, the immediate inspiration and sense of inclusion our visitors get, it's like no other. Your business future, it's under this roof. And being here, it definitely makes it feel very real. But until you have a chance to visit us in person, we'd like to invite you to go on a virtual tour with us.
Over the last 25 years, we've learned the importance of leveraging time spent with our clients and having the right place to successfully implement projects. So in 2012, we designed this facility to help us maximize our performance and collaboration.
Velociti's headquarters is comprised of a multitude of collaboration spaces, including a large group training room that allows us to easily host customer meetings of varying sizes. Finding the right environment to develop and test cutting-edge technology solutions has always been a challenge and is increasingly important in today's world of automation. That's why Velociti established its Innovation Lab. This expansive lab is available to our partners and customers to use as a technology playground. It's a place where great ideas can become a reality through proven performance before the first piece of technology is even implemented. And it doesn't stop there.
Our business development managers work closely with you to determine what solutions will have the greatest impact on your diverse business objectives.
Our team of account managers work closely with many other departments to ensure a seamless transition from sales to deployment for every customer. Since no job is alike, our AMs are in tune with your needs through each step of the process, resulting in an amazing customer experience.
Velociti is a project management company at its core. Our PM team is comprised of over 50 professionals that support hundreds of technicians and engineers daily, while they deploy and maintain technology for our clients around the world.
Our accounting team works closely together to provide professional and timely accounts payable and receivable services for all our customers, vendors, and contractors.
Our unique Velociti portal offers full custom integration, which allows 100% visibility to all your project-based work. On site, our technicians use the Velociti mobile app to capture data in real time so you always know the status of your project.
VeloCare provides a proactive 24/7 monitoring and repair service for your assets by our highly trained team, so you can focus solely on your business while we take care of the rest.
With an expansive warehouse space to house your technology, Velociti is able to provide a seamless, connected supply chain experience no matter where your business or asset is located.
Our engineering team thoroughly evaluates your project needs, creates a design for ideal placement of your hardware, and works around your schedule for a seamless deployment.
Staging is an essential part of preparing every single one of your assets. Our team loads all necessary software, applies customer-specific configuration, and ensures everything is working properly before it ever leaves our warehouse.
We are committed to long-term customer engagement through marketing support. This includes a variety of collateral, such as information sheets or videos, all to help share how technology has improved your business operations and how you interact with your customers.
Hi, I'm Derek Powell, President of Velociti. Thanks for taking the tour today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you a better sense for Velociti, who we are, what we do, and how we can be of value to your business. We look forward to seeing you in Kansas City soon. Thanks.